Hi, Stacy Glow is with you again. This new product has recently appeared among my tools. This is the oval brush magic brush. I bought it for applying the base and for contouring. Honestly, I have not had the opportunity to use it yet. So now you'll have a chance to see how I use this tool for the first time, and I'll show you how to do it. Also, I will share my impressions of it. As usual, I put the primer on the whole face and blend with my fingers. Then I take BB cream and put it on the whole face using this miracle brush. By the way, the brush is compact enough, and in general I like its shape. Also, this brush has a fairly dense nap, so it's unlikely that you will find willy in your clothes after putting makeup. This also happened with me with poor quality tools. Therefore, now I'm quite demanding while choosing. Now I'll use the concealer to hide the defects. And I'll blend everything with a little beauty blender. This brush is not suitable for such delicate work. It is too large. Now I'm highlighting the area under the eyes, forehead and chin, using the NYX Wonder Stick, namely its light side. At first I will blend everything using a brush, and additionally blend some areas using a beauty blender for better effect. Now I paint the contour of cheekbones, nose and forehead with the dark side of Wonder Stick and blend cheekbones using a brush. I put the light side of the Wonder Stick under cheekbones to better emphasize them. And also I need to blend the contouring of the nose. The oval brush is so nice. It's said that it is similar to a toothbrush. In the form, yes, but certainly not to the touch. It can simply touch the face and it will have a wonderful soothing effect. Try it! And now I put NYX powder on the whole face using a powder brush. So you've just seen this brush in action. I put the base for makeup with it. What will I say to you? It is my personal opinion after using magic brush, which does not claim objectivity, but maybe it will be useful for you. As for me, the brush is not very comfortable for the base, because it absorbs a lot of the product. Therefore, it is impractical for me. So I prefer Beauty Blender, and I will probably continue using it in the future. Though it also absorbs a large amount of the product, but it's not as much as this brush. By the way, I just thought maybe the next time I'll try to apply the product immediately to the skin and only blend using the brush. It should be more economical. What do you think? Maybe you've already tried it? Share your result with me. As for the contouring, it works much better with this. I like the result and maybe I will do contouring using this brush in the future. If you tried this brush, share your impressions. It's very interesting to hear your feedback. So today you've seen how to use a makeup brush and what it is in action. Next, I plan a lot of interesting things, so stay with me. I think you will enjoy it. See you!